Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the recirculation pump hose in your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Use needle nose pliers to help extend the spring to remove the retainer from the door boot seal. Peel the boot seal off the lip of the front panel. Lift and support the front of the washer. Unthread the 4 screws securing the bottom of the front panel. Pull out the dispenser drawer and depress the tab to fully release. Now unthread the 2 larger screws inside the dispenser drawer housing. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the top of the front panel. Lift the front panel up and out to detach. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors to fully remove the panel. For better access to the recirculation pump hose, we recommend removing the lower counterbalance weight. Use a 7/16" socket to unthread the 4 bolts. Set the weight aside. Use pliers to release the spring clamp securing the hose to the front circulation pump, and pull the hose off. Release the clamp to detach the old hose from the outer tub. Prepare the new recirculation pump hose for installation by transferring the spring clamps from the old hose to the new one. Attach one end to the outer tub and the other end to the front circulation pump. Secure the hose with the spring clamps. Reposition the counterbalance weight on the outer tub and thread the mounting bolts. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the control board wire connector and the door latch wire connector. Align the panel on the mounting pins and push down. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Replace the screws in the dispenser drawer housing. Reinstall the dispenser drawer. Rethread the 4 screws to secure the bottom of the front panel. remove the support. Align the door boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Secure it with the retainer by aligning the spring at the top, then insert the retainer into the groove of the boot seal. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.